Hi, welcome to BackFire Chat. I'm at the Google Cloud Next 23 in San Francisco. I'm here with Annika, who works on partnerships in the Drone Racing League.
Hi,
Welcome.
how are you?
Let's get started. Welcome, Annika.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about the Drone Racing League and what you're working on, and particularly how you're interacting with Google Cloud.
The Drone Racing League is the world's premier professional drone racing circuit. We build drones that fly 0 to 90 miles an hour in under 1 second and race them in massive stadiums all over the world. Our partnership with Google Cloud has a few key facets. So the first is our simulator technology, which allows pilots to learn how to fly and race drones, is built on GCP. The second is that we are running a Google Cloud Fly Cup Challenge, which is a 4-stage developer competition live through the end of September. And it teaches people all about predictive modeling. They can test their cloud skills using drone racing data to help us with pilot outcomes and understand how our pilot performance can improve.
And how can people get involved with that?
Sure, so if people go to the Next website or after Next, you can search the Google Cloud Fly Cup Challenge to learn more and receive more details.
Fantastic.
Sure.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next episode of BackFire Chat.